Today, I'm in Mendocino County, California, and the reason that I'm here is to show you a prefab home that has never been on the channel. What we're looking at today is 24 feet wide. It's 54 feet long for a total footprint of 1,200 square feet. I can see it just over the hill, and spoiler alert, it's got a very cool look. Let's go check it out. Right over this hill is the M12 from Masaya Homes. And even though their smaller units have been on the channel before, I haven't seen anything quite like this. Not only is this the biggest of their models that I've ever seen, but it's also got a completely different roofline that gives it a totally different look. So, shall we? I'm gonna start this off on the end of the home because have a look at this roofline. I'm gonna stand right at the end so we can really appreciate what they've got going on here. This is officially my favorite model from Masaya Homes, and it is because of that view right there. It looks cool from the front as well, and we will check that out so nobody panic. Coming around the back of the home, what we've got over here is a little covered porch back there. This is into the kitchen. This and that are both into the office. Let's head back around the other side. We'll take a look at the front, and then it's gonna be time that we head inside and see exactly what the M12 is all about. So as far as layout goes, we've got 2 bedrooms in here, we've got 2 bathrooms and an office, so lots of extra space if you need it. I'm gonna try and raise this up and see if we can get a look at the roof line from the front. Seems like no. So right here, this is into the 2nd bedroom. This sliding glass door over here, that goes into the living space and kitchen. And as I come down this side, this sliding glass door goes into the main bedroom. So there's a section in the middle. Not only do you get the covered porch right here, but you get this extra section right here that's kind of indented from the bedrooms. So if you like a covered outdoor space, plenty to go around here on the M12. All right, it's time. Let's check this thing out. Welcome inside the M12 from Masaya Homes. Again, this is 24 feet wide. It's 54 feet long for a total footprint of 1,200 square feet. And the way they've got this set up is with 1 bathroom, 1 bedroom, and the office on this side. And then they've got the living room kitchen right here in the middle. That side, they've got laundry, the main bedroom, and an ensuite. Let's have a look around. Starting from behind the island and looking up, the first thing that I want to talk about is the ceiling height on the high side in this living room. So right over there in the corner, it goes up to 12 feet, and you can definitely feel it in here. It's quite spacious. The second thing I want to point out is the amount of glass on the front of this home. And I'll tell you what, that is perfect for this property because they have got views on views on views. Now, I'm curious how people would set up this living space because we've got the kitchen over there. You could put maybe a dining table there, or you could have the dining table here in front of the door, but you've also got to have somewhere for the couch. So I'm thinking I would probably put the couch chair over on that side, dining table over here, but guess what? I'm not an interior designer, so I'm not the authority to make that decision. Heading down this direction, I'm gonna skip right into the main bedroom because they've got a really cool feature that I want to talk about right after looking out the sliding glass door. So if it were me, this is where I would put the bed, and then you've got lots of space for dressers and anything else you want in here down over there. This is what I'm talking about right here. So you've got the full walk-in closet right here with built-ins, place to hang, place to fold, and place for, I don't know, extra shoes or anything else you want to put up there. And then you turn the corner and head into the bathroom. So we go from teak flooring to tile in the bathroom. They've got the custom cabinets from Masaya Homes. Oh, missed something. You've got the hidden right there for toothpaste, your extra toothbrushes, or anything else you might want to store. So you got three sets of drawer banks in here. The toilet will be there. That is where the toilet's going. It's just not there yet. You've got the window up above. I'm going to move into the shower. They've been doing black hardware even though it's not there yet. That's what I've seen in a few other models. So that's what I'm expecting to see here as well. Going up, you've got the windows there, pot lights, fan, and that pretty much wraps up the ensuite. So let's continue. We'll go back through the walk-in closet, get one more look out the sliding glass door. Didn't notice that little window right there. So there you go. We'll go back into the living space, turn the corner, and check out the laundry room. A very important room to keep the comments happy. So comments should be popping off with joy on this one. We've got some storage in here for your detergents, fabric softeners, dryer sheets, things like that. And down here, you've got another storage cabinet as well. And then you've got a countertop to do all the folding right here. Beside that, you've got a tall cabinet right here. Not sure if they'll be putting shelves in there or not, but they aren't there yet. Nice size window heading out to the backyard right there. And from here, you've got an access out to the covered porch that I showed you on the back that is still under construction. Let's see if I can do a quick peek out here. Look at that. Look how far down that goes. Built-in pot lights, nice big overhang. It's going to be a lovely space. If you want to enjoy some shade, I'm guessing that's where you're going to do it. All right, heading down this way, let's talk about the office, bathroom, and second bedroom, shall we? Okay, so this is the office right here, and what makes it an office is the lack of a closet. So call it a den, call it an office, call it whatever you like. The biggest difference is that lack of closet. Still a very nice space, and if you work from home, what better place to do it than right there? This is bathroom number 2, and they've gone with the tub in here. So they've got the tub shower combo, again, waiting for the fixtures there. Nice big window up above, and I'll go all the way up and look at the teak on the ceiling. That's a tongue and groove teak, which looks great. They got the vanity here with the countertop sink and the mirror behind, so you know what you look like. Heading this way, this is bedroom 2, and wait till you see the closet in here. So sliding glass door out the front here as well, access to the deck. And I'm wondering if you got enough speed, if you could launch right from the deck into the pool. Be a big jump. Could be done, probably not by me. Here's the closet, and wait till you see what we've got here. All right, let's open it up and take a peek. So, not only do they have the built-ins, okay? Not only do they have the place to hang some stuff over there, but look at the height in here. Let's see if I can get it. Not well. Try this way. Doesn't really do it justice. You've got about 5 feet of height above the top shelf. So if you've got a big tall box like a Christmas tree or something like that, you could definitely fit it in there, which is kind of handy if you ask me. Heading back, we still haven't talked about the kitchen, so let's do it. They've got the nice big island in here. Let's start with that. We're going to take a loop all the way around. Oh, look at this. Okay, so they've got the overhang not only on the outside, but on the end as well. So that might change things on the furniture setup. I might take out the dining table altogether, just use this, and then have more space for couches, a coffee table, and maybe a chair of some sort. Have a look at these cabinets, all right? So they've got the open cabinet down below. There will be 3 shelves in there based on what I've seen in other models. They just aren't there yet. I believe this is a quartz countertop. They've got the stove here. They've got the cabinet above the microwave. Sink here, still needs the faucet. Window up above to view what's going out back. Dishwasher, 2 open shelves here, and a bank of pots and pans drawers with another hidden drawer right there. Fridge at the end, there will be a shelf above that, just hasn't gone in yet. Let's check out what's going on the inside of the island. So they've got 3 banks of pots and pans drawers here. Again, with the hidden drawer, which I am so fond of. Very nice. I am a big fan of this space, both inside and out. So at this point, you might be wondering, how much does it cost? Well, let's talk about it. There you have it, folks, the M12 from Masaya Homes. 2 bedrooms, 1 den, 2 bathrooms in 1,200 square feet. As far as pricing goes, the M12 starts at $721,800 delivered and installed. That is it for me here in Mendocino County. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.